Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will talk about the complete process to activate your NPS Tier 2 account, a simple step-by-step portal guide that anyone can follow. This is a NPS Tier 2 activation roadmap. 5 steps there. Follow the steps one by one. All steps are important. Now we start with step 1. Tier 2 Quick Intro. NPS Tier 2 is the voluntary and flexible investment account linked to your NPS Tier 1 pension account. Flexibility. You can deposit and withdraw anytime. Highly liquid. Investment options. You can invest in the same asset classes, that is equity, corporate, government bonds and alternate assets, and with the same fund managers as Tier 1. No tax benefits. Tier 2 generally does not offer ATC benefits. Only certain government employees may get tax benefits under specific rules. Returns. The return depends on your asset allocation. Higher equity allocation can give higher returns depending on market performance. Step 2. Required document. Before you start the activation process, keep the following documents ready. Your PRAN, the existing PRAN Tier 1 account number, Aadhaar/VID, virtual ID, 16-digit Aadhaar number or virtual ID for OTP authentication. PAN card, scanned copy of PAN card. Minimum contribution will be 1000 INR is required. Bank details. The bank account is linked with your PRAN for contribution and withdrawal. Step 3. Portal login demo. In Google, enter NPS login. You will find the link crda-nsdl.com. Click that link. In left hand side, you will see the option Activate Tier 2 account. Click Activate Tier 2 account. Subscriber Service Tier 2 Regular Tax Saving Scheme activation page will open. Select Tier 2 Regular. The tax saving scheme is for only for central government employees. Select Tier 2 Regular, then enter your PRAN number. Then enter your date of birth. Then enter your PAN number. Then enter CAPTCHA. Then click here to verify PRAN. The notification will pop up. You read the notification, then click this checkbox, then click continue. The OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. Once received, enter the OTP here. Enter CAPTCHA, then click submit. The Tier 2 regular tax savings key activation page will open. Here you have to fill the 5 pages. The first one is bank details, scheme details, nomination, then document upload, then payment details. You have to fill or verify one by one. The bank account details are same as Tier 1. That's why I click this checkbox. If you want to change, check this, then you have to select the account type, then fill it manually. If the bank account same as Tier 1, then click here and continue with the same bank account. Scroll down, the verify the details, everything is correct. Then once you verify, then click save and proceed to continue. Then you will get the acknowledgement. The Tier 2 activation request has been successfully initiated. Tier 2 activation acknowledgement details are given below. So you will get the acknowledgement number, then subscriber details, then date of receipt. So the SMS and email will be sent to your registered mobile number and the email ID. So you have to keep this acknowledgement number for your reference. Once verified, click OK to continue. This is scheme detail page. Here you have to select your pension fund manager and choose your asset allocation option wisely. So first you have to select your pension fund manager. Here I will select HDFC pension fund manager. Here you will see the choose your investment option wisely. So here you will see the life cycle aggressive, then auto choice, then active choice. The first I will show the auto choice. The auto choice you have 4 options. The life cycle 75, the equity so life cycle 75, the equity portion is high, 47%. Then Tier C, the corporate bond is 17% and the government bond is 36%. The 100% allocation will allot like this. In life cycle 50. See that the equity portion is contribution is 36%. Then here the government bonds will 41 and then corporate is the 23%. In life cycle 25, 82% of amount goes into the government and corporate bonds and 18% amount will goes only into the equity purchase. Then life cycle aggressive. Here you see the 50% of the amount goes to the equity, then 30 and 20 goes to the corporate and government bonds. Instead of that, if you select active choice, you will allocate the funds as per your wish. So here I will select 60, this is 20, then 20. So here I will come to auto, and then I will select life cycle 75, then click save and proceed. This is the nominee details. If you want to keep the nominee details as tier 1, you have to click this checkbox and then scroll down. Once verify, click save and confirm. So this is the document upload section. Here you have to upload the scanned PAN card copy. So once the file is ready, so click here to upload the file. Once you choose the file, click here to upload. Step 4, activation process. So once you upload and you have to authenticate via OTP or e-sign. So we have two options, the OTP based authentication or Aadhaar based e-sign. Here I will click OTP based authentication and enter your CAPTCHA. Then click here to generate OTP. Once generate OTP, the notification will pop up. Read the notification and then click OK. The email and mobile OTP will be sent to your registered mobile number and email ID. So once received, you have to enter the email OTP here. Then enter mobile OTP. Enter CAPTCHA. Then click verify OTP. Then you will see the message tax to regular activation through email and OTP completed successfully. Then click this arrow button to continue. This is the payment page. Here you have to enter the desired amount you want to contribute into your NPS Tier 2 account. Minimum the amount of 1000 INR to contribute to your NPS Tier 2 account, and then click confirm payment. Then you will see the options. So here I will select Razor Pay, then click this declaration button, then click make payment. Here the payment page will open. Here you have to pay via card, UPI or net banking. Here I will select UPI payment. Enter UPI ID, then click verify and pay. You will find the breakup. For UPI transactions, no convenient charges is there. Click continue and pay. The notification will send to your mobile. Open the application and approve the payment. Once approve the payment, you will see the notification, the payment successful. Step 5, common mistakes to avoid. Before start Tier 2 activation, keep PRAN number and login details ready. Having the required documents, that is ID proof, address proof, or PAN card, scanned and ready before you begin the activation process. Not maintaining minimum balance for contribution. Ensure the bank account has sufficient balance for the minimum contribution of Tier 2 contribution, the 1000 for the first time activation. If the payment fails, the activation will not complete. And that's all about this video, friends. If you want to me cover any other topics, feel free to comment below. I will make a dedicated video for you, and thanks for watching.